Light cutting materials, superalloys, or is cast easy to machine? Well, reaming is its own animal, and the general terms for machinability look different when machining precision bores. Stay tuned for more material knowledge. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at Urma. Machining cast is different than machining stainless steel. I think everybody would agree on this. But when we are talking about different materials and reamers, we need to dive a little bit deeper. One of the big differences of reaming versus turning or milling is that in reaming, we always have a thin chip. This means that we cannot introduce as much heat into the chip. The question is, where does the heat then go? Well, in reaming, cooling is essential, and picking a suited cutting speed as well, because most of the heat gets into the substrate and the coating. The other big difference is that due to the thin chip, breaking or controlling the chip gets much more challenging, especially in softer materials such as low-carbon steel. We can influence a lot of the results by the geometry, coating, and substrates we pick or design. An example is the machining of copper, or materials that accepts heat very well. We have special geometries available for copper, with minimal contact to the bore wall, and very smooth DLC coatings, for excellent heat reduction and good wear resistance. Complete different situations are faced when machining cast, which is known as easy to machine. But we know that meanwhile cast is definitely not easy to machine, at least not anymore. We struggle today with huge quality differences depending on the origin of the cast, and also hardness differences within the same workpiece. This makes machining of very precise bores with tight tolerances and good surface finishes a challenge. Here are better suited coatings and wear-resistant geometries needed. Also, the so-called microgeometries, or also known as edge honing, play a huge role to achieve good tool life while maintaining the required precision. We have a broad knowledge of different materials and we know how to tackle them. We have experience in steel, from soft to hard and with different heat treatments, as well as superalloys, cast, powder metals, non-ferrous materials, plastics, and many more. We are happy to support you with your individual board, no matter what material. Contact us now.